What's up, YouTube? We have it. It's here. The Kid Cudi Gshock DW69 Bape collaboration. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, so we have it. It finally arrived, actually arrived sooner than I anticipated, but it's here, the Kid Cudi Gshock collaboration with Bape. Awesome watch, highly desirable, sold out almost instantly, but here we are. We're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys the design and all that cool stuff, and let's check out what's going on here. Here's the box. Open it up, make sure I don't cut myself in the process. I can be clumsy at times, so here we go. Okay. All right. I'm excited. I haven't seen this in person. Like I said, there's a lot of hype for this watch. I'm not going to show you that because it's got personal information. Pull the watch out, and here we go. All right. So, for starters, let's talk about Kid Cudi. If you guys are not familiar with him, he is a rapper, a musician. And very popular, may I add. He's also a big Gshock fan, so if you guys are not familiar with him, check out his music. He actually just came out with an album. The title of the album is actually just released with the same time as this watch. It's titled Man on the Moon 3, The Chosen. So check out that album. I'll put a picture of the album as well, so you guys check that. You can see that there. Here it is. Oh yes. All right, straight away, you'll see the box itself. It's got that nice, cool pattern. This is the intergalactic camel pattern on the box, which also carries inside of the watch. I'm sure into the tin. Okay, Kid Cudi right on the top of the box there. Look at the cool pattern there, guys. Look at that. Nice camel pattern right there. Very nice. Intergalactic. You got the Bape right there. You got some stars and stuff all around there. Another Bape, looks like another Bape face there. So it's covered with Bape. Moon Man on the side of the box there. Kid Cudi with the Bape on the side. Bunch of new Bapes right there. Bapes all distorted throughout the box. And there you have Kid Cudi himself right on the box. Sick. All right. On the bottom here, you have the back of the box. You have the actual model number, the DW6900 CUDI Cudi 20-4CR. Cudi is actually used in the actual name of the model number, which is pretty neat. 20 is the year that it was released. This watch was actually released in February 20th of 2021. It is now March 1st. So I just got it today, March 1st, but it was released in February 2020. For $200 on Kid Cudi's website. You were also able to get it on the Bape's website under store for $230. So it's a $30 difference there. I got lucky and I got it from Kid Cudi's website when it dropped, and like I said, it sold out instantaneously. So I got really lucky and I was able to cop one. Hopefully you guys were on that as well. In addition to this watch, there's also a brand of shirts, jackets, pants, hats, some skull caps, a bunch of different things that came out with the Kid Cudi line on the Bape collaboration. A lot of cool stuff. I picked up a sweater myself personally. I'm not sure if I'll keep it. I got to see how it fits and all that jazz, but I'll put pictures of that stuff as well so you can see that. Some of that stuff is still available. Not a lot of it though. A lot of it's already sold out as we speak. Pull this out. Let's check that out. Here is the tin again with that intergalactic camel print on the box. Oh God. Check that out. Moon Man. Get a little zooming in right there. Yes, buddy. Moon Man. I like that. Looks like his eyes, right? Looks like his eyes are looking back at you directly on the tin can there with the moon. Maybe it's intentional, maybe not. Moon Man right there. It's like the Bape right there, right on the M. Pretty neat. Nice positioning. Nice positioning on the watch, on the tin can. There he is. Kid Cudi once again on the tin can. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. On the bottom, we got Kid Cudi again. The Bape on the bottom, a bunch of Bapes there, and the white Bape on there. And then the tin can at the top, you got Kid Cudi's name on there, okay? Pop this open. I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited to see this watch. Warranty card. And here we have it. Open this baby up and let's take it in. Oh, yes. There we go. The Kid Cudi Gshock collaboration with Bape 2020, guys. If you're not familiar with Bape, they're an expensive hip-hop brand. A lot of the products sell out pretty fast, and it's kind of pricey, but they usually appreciate in value. Like pretty much sell out fast, and there's a large resale market for these watches and clothing line. So this cool watch has got a nice little color combination. You got the pink bubblegum bezel right on the top there with the nice yellow accents. Right here, this one here, this is like an orange. Doesn't match the yellow on this side, but it's got like an orange color there. The mold is blue, and the bottom there looks like a green on the start stop there. I'll do a macro shot so you guys get a good look at all the color variations there. Then you have the Bape bezel there right in the bottom on the not the bezel, excuse me, the dial is pink. And you got the green color around the bezel there with all the alarm functions, illuminators, whatever, and then the Bape logo in blue. All right, I love the gold display there, the positive gold display on the backlight there, on the dial there. It's pretty neat. All right, and then following on the band here, the one without the buckle, excuse me, it's got the red band with Kid Cudi's logo right on there with the Bape logo as well in blue. And then in the bottom, you got that Bape logo right in the bottom. Very vibrant colors. It is glossy in color, as you can see. I also see some speckles maybe in there, and I'll do a closer look, but it looks like there's some speckles in there as well. On the top one where the buckle is, you have the candy blue with the yellow band keeper, and on the stainless steel buckle right there. Again, very colorful, very vibrant colorway. I think it's perfect for the spring and the summertime. The Gshock button is red in color with a white logo right there. All right, the back plate, you're gonna have the Bape logo right there, Bathing Ape since 1993. 3230 module. This is a DW6900, very standard edition. Not a lot with these watches. You got the basic functions. You have timekeeping, alarm, timer, and stopwatch. And that's about it. That's all you get. But a lot of these models are used because they're affordable to customize. So you kind of save on the manufacturing of this watch, and you get the collaboration aspect and limited edition aspect into the watch. All right, great watch. And let's not forget the backlight, which is very important as well. Let's check out that puppy. You're gonna have the Bape logo as well as Kid Cudi's face printed right on the backlight. Get the focus right there. There you go. You see that? Kid Cudi, and the Bape logo right on the backlight. Yes, love it. Magnificent job on the design of this watch. Wearing this here, the Golfmaster, and pull this off. And let's check this puppy, how it looks on the wrist. Can't wait to rock it with some nice sneakers. Or as you guys in the UK call them, some, what do they call them? Some, I can't remember what you guys call them over there. Check that out. Yes, let's do it. Let's get it. All right, guys. Show you a macro shot so you guys get a close look up all the colors in this collaboration. Let's check that out. Let's go. And there you guys have it. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. I want to be one of the first ones to show you this beautiful watch, the Kid Cudi DW69 Gshock collaboration with Bape. Another fun fact is that Kid Cudi is actually a big fan of Gshock watches in general. Even before releasing his collaboration with Gshock, he's actually known for been seen for wearing in the wild Gshock watches, which is pretty neat. And another fun fact is that before becoming famous, Kid Cudi was actually working at the Bape store in New York City, where he met Kanye West for the first time. Nice little fun fact, guys. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like button for this content. Also, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of reviews, unboxings on upcoming releases, collaborations, all that fun fact, how-to videos, customizations, all Gshock related, guys. You don't want to miss out for next drops, information, so you can join the party. So next time, guys, thanks so much for joining me. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My Gshock, I'm rocking my Gshock. 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 I'm rocking my Gshock.